Time for a snack. Late night snack at that.
Y'all see that? Ooh.
Y'all see that?
What is that?
Salad, mayo, vinegar,
Salt and pepper,
banana bell peppers,
banana bell peppers,
and onions.
And onions. That's it. That's it right there. That's a lot. That's a lot. That's a lot.
Okay.
Leave that here.
Can I get a napkin, please, sir? Here, give me the knife. I'm gonna give him this piece, and I might get all of it.
No.
Alright, y'all. Here, you cut it. This is hot. Here, this is your piece right here.
Now,
this is the only piece you're gonna
it's
get.
just me and you and Nana. So, oh, you see this?
I want
Hold
the
up.
I want the booty part.
She want the butt. Uh-oh, it just broke in half.
Oh my god.
Oh, for the back. Ah.
You gotta cut it, man. Come on. This is better than the Publix sandwich. Okay, this is your half.
Yeah, all right. Wait, Nana. Boom.
Damn.
I got the middle piece.
Look how little my sandwich is. This is what? Anyway.
Yo, this is, yo,
Okay, you want to eat sandwich?
I just need y'all to see this. You see this?
Cheers. Mm-hmm. That's salad. Let me get a bite of yours
It's just,
and see if it tastes like
for what? She got one.
So y'all
You gave me a
lame,
little
yo.
piece though.
Yep.
Exactly, you be playing.
Oh my God, yo. Yo. Mine just tastes better.
This is hidden. Okay.
I pledge allegiance to the flag, United States of America, and to the republic which it stand,
One nation.
whatever.
One nation. Why you do that?
Cause it's so good I had to slap somebody.
Let me get another bite of yours. 'Cause I don't think mine's as hitting like yours is hitting.
You probably not. I can't even catch my breath, bro.
You forgot something. The juice.
Juice could wait right now.
Y'all.
This sandwich is crazy.
Oh. It's falling over. We'll be back, y'all.
One potato, two potato. You see that? It's crazy.
You didn't give me no bite.